that we have been given here is limit y tends to 0 under root of 1 plus 1 plus y to the power 4. Pardon me that 1 is outside the square root, but it's actually under root of 1 plus y to the power 4, and then after this term it's minus root 2 upon y to the power 4. So we let's have a look at the solution. Rationalize it. So in order to rationalize it, we multiply it by changing this sign in between the two terms, so it comes out to be multiplication with under root of 1 plus y to the power 4 plus root 2, because there it was minus root 2, and same thing would come out to be in denominator. So in the numerator, the identity of a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square, can be applied. So it can be this whole under root, outer under root is removed, and that minus b square, which is root 2, so minus 2, so 1 minus 2 would come out to be minus 1. So finally it comes out to be under root of 1 plus y to the power 4 minus 1 upon y to the power 4, and this in multiplication. Then again we rationalize it by changing this sign here and making it plus. So again it gets rationalized and we multiply it by it. So it comes out to be y to the power 4, because again a square minus b square is applied. So it comes out to be y to the power 4 upon y to the power 4 under root of 1 plus y to the power 4 plus root 2 into under root of 1 plus y to the power 4 plus 1, and on putting the value, our final answer comes out to be 1 upon 4 root 2. This would be our final answer in this case.